3 anti-inflammatory foods I recommend eating daily to naturally relieve joint pain. If you deal daily with joint pain, morning stiffness, or chronic inflammation that limits your movement, and you're tired of constantly relying on painkillers, know that nutrition can be a real turning point in your condition. Today I'm sharing 3 simple, accessible, and scientifically supported foods that I make a point of consuming regularly to support joint health and reduce inflammation in a natural and safe way. Before we begin, if you're interested in practical, health-focused content based on awareness rather than exaggeration, I'd appreciate your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you receive upcoming topics as soon as they're released. First, extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil isn't just a healthy fat. It's an active anti-inflammatory agent. The secret lies in a natural compound called oleocanthal, which works in the body in a way similar to certain anti-inflammatory medications, but without their long-term side effects. Regular daily consumption of a small amount, such as 1 to 2 tablespoons, can help reduce swelling, support joint health, and improve mobility over time. Not all oils are equal, however. Make sure to choose extra virgin olive oil, cold-pressed, with a slightly peppery taste, as this mild sharpness is a sign of its richness in active compounds. It's easy to include in your daily routine. Drizzle it over salads, lightly cooked vegetables, or even enjoy it with a slice of whole grain bread. Here, consistency matters more than quantity. Second, turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory ingredients, thanks to a compound called curcumin. This compound works to calm inflammation at its source, not just mask the symptoms. There's an important detail many people overlook. Curcumin isn't well absorbed on its own. When combined with a small pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine, the body's ability to absorb curcumin increases dramatically. This combination makes turmeric far more effective at reducing pain and improving joint flexibility, especially with regular use. You can consume it in meals, as a warm drink, or add it to soups, always with moderation and consistency in mind. Third, ginger. Ginger is one of the oldest natural remedies used to relieve pain and improve circulation. It contains active compounds that help reduce inflammation and work through mechanisms similar to some pain relievers, but in a gentler way for the stomach and the body. Ginger is particularly helpful for joint stiffness and knee pain, and studies have shown that regular use may reduce the need for pain medication in some individuals. It can be consumed fresh, as a warm drink, or added to food, whatever suits you best. The takeaway: extra virgin olive oil, turmeric with black pepper, and ginger. 3 simple foods with powerful effects. Together, they help calm inflammation, support joint health, and improve mobility over the long term. Remember, your joints respond to what you consume every day. Small, repeated choices can make a significant difference over time. And if you found this content helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with someone who might benefit from it.